Good morning. Miato Medakbaba India Midogo Lafia. Our number Mianovio America. That is Siena, Council of Aviation Association in North America. O Jagba ye mi wo ye mai achapua de mi planoa. Oba mi wo video plano kofia higa mabanu ejora mi ajinye. Aleba o ha makoro da okwe. Alaba oba mi Jagba mi aba kwere mi anchi mi anto global mi ina.
The government are jumping where Nyama Yul a few hand. But me Jagba mi ko roba no mono kokura tomo. Alo chapwa to because makata no loy chapwa ma ikata la moni ukata ojojom ya kama manya fia ko jojom all over the world akami Jagba mi anya banari numo no mi duru mi akopi papu bara fia ko numo kata lama ya na moni ojojom global warming afisha fiko jojom akami o Africa mi la gamala mi ashimita mi o so we have mi adoma tonto we have to make sure that you for up akoto koreti o ma
akpa egba Everlove TV mi eva ma global anyanwi toko ekemi va dore achiama iko ogbogbo na afia ba gamanu kopo ekemi va anu ika ajim la afia nya ba amokata ika ofodudo ba okata wa atapofu na yo awonka yo adeba ma klesu ba achifa chichi la afia wa nacho the sea alo nacho chafoma agare anyanwi duama klesu ba chiana no flow in out ika it is one of the unique thing ika ma pole egba panka kama ba le egba mafia dumovio to wa sonwalaka avabe yo awodo kude yo pa eduapa dwonwa anyanika it's no more there magalio aka what I've seen here today shows that there is a place in this community or there is a place in Ghana that we can say some of the people are willingly trying to help the government. And what I've seen here, we'll try and speak to some of them. I do just play at the car of a plus where me up. No, can you put on? I feel back, you want to popu plus where a duya per a dudoya nano a gym. A Roma woman do you? They are here since morning. I feel me about about 11 years. And you come here at Babaja Uncle Merkuva. Anya ni come here these things ega journal akpo dumavio wa dudu alaka kuda adunwa alaka ega anya ni ga journal
marakuku awo emi va kuni afia anya ni kana wonu kuna minto ala be de kawo magala duo du komo fia de kawo magala du komo fia crown tani azo afia anya ni kana wonu ku tamie kafu amayo kata langona doya you so he ku so he fufu me kafu so he kata onola plus subana duana tanchi akwa
anu ma pori anu adoya manya government for doya nya doya manya heavy machines we use zaboza dredger waza ko wodoyo aka lekana nya kana blo I want you to say something about this
yeah lenya tapama ahia kokukuba jiruru anakpere mianchi ala be miao ha du ko makumile ala be akoda iga gbo na oga gbo be mi da ko no mi da ko no ka agbagba no ke mi ala apunu anu dudu afi atenwa da ko no ayata ahia kuku jiru nakpere wonchi wo ji machine ga go va do ya manya lekmen blogi manya manpower for do yo manya magbeto fon se for do yo machine no le bo va do ya ka du ko mo vi to rupi na fa do ya o ma matiku be papamu le jiru ron ga ka ele be jiru ana de se be do ya o mu la do nyare o mu le
akpa na ma akpa hey evo ma ponu ya ma poba ameyo do ma majima ma for ku terenyon yaktam kemi varu afia majima
varu afia ba ga nyalo ga drena okay yemi varu afia
majima manya miama kawo yo la afia
miecho agbledomi evame amarocho nyangui marocho tunu marocho jita bomigo pouvama pokpogbo cheti tepo gologioko ni varanua
okay yemi etepupura nu kejo afi ojebe mi awodo ya la yagba
oh chapwa ko vagblan le gbegbe ko chafu va remi mi ka po onuru fo mi arunu krao na mi to ha galon kokun na mi dero ha ko fi fela ko mi vali ko do fa mi ewu male gbegbe ko ato hatu ko mi kana na ke gomo semu
na be to tu anya wasa gomo nyu
ato ha ehe ko afu ma gai mu lo chi ma gai na kama gai mu ko lo mi vali ko do fa mi ewu chama ga shinkro.
Okay, Magbona, actually what he's saying is they're coming from various communities around this area, and what they've seen is that the whole area has been choked. So the only thing they have to do is to make a community work and then try to dredge it themselves. And this is what he is saying. So the sea is just close here, and the only way they can do this is just make it their own effort and then help, so that livelihood in this community, those kind of community can be a very nice place for. Majima Adam, Myanmar na niyo vafia.
Myanmar vafia. Near the Alofave.
Almost 200, he said. There are almost 200 over here. Okay. Those who are watching from afar, what do you have to tell them?
Yo, anyama gloko nyaba tokukure ma na nya afakoko na jiruruo na ova alo ware ipamaru covi no vakpo edo na miraba edo nye do ya na amagbeto wo ha ta anu avateri mian ta tokukure mako yako do akoda shinelo
Akpabana jene Everlove TV ke mi agbagba jege plus ube mi agare mi adom ya no mi agbo mi akponu ike tututu ji ge egba nke kama ke mi te nwu ge gba
ah mi te nwu ge gba o
abe nke ke nani mi azane do ya
do ya la fia aji no mo fadaga.
Okay. It will take almost 2 months for them to do this job. You know, it is a manpower job they are doing here. It's very hard to see this kind of thing happening in this 21st century. It's not there. Seeing this in this 21st century is not there. So I have to applaud them very much and then say the benevolence, everybody that's somewhere trying to see this video, come over and then help them so that this community will be one of the communities that even if they are living happily, you say you have helped these people before. Thank you. Let's go and then have interaction with some of the workers over here. Thank you so much for subscribing to Everlove TV. Aba alekemia eva eduama na nebemia akponu yoka tututu ejima. Emia kere eduama tope efiare kan. Makere togbi azamati le gbonye no wa adang de ka avomana kude enu kata yo de wana toke ya etoma. En enyake le shina eduaja. Togbi azamati we zova Everlove TV pe nya kaka pe. Mi je mi asem goma. Le ko joafi mi kpoba ejebe yiwa ade wana ya toma.
Ya ni ezo enyeba atoka gan atu adan anya so ga kopa ave adore keke anyako achiavi afiara nyigba alaba na chia roso to jinu of meja pu kekeka fi ale va hane o ganara achafuo mo ka e achafuo tu to gan la achia va to klo re mia gbo fi muja anla yo katala to ma okukun gan la o le chia mo okukun atra yo li o kata okukun achia va biadzan no nya bana gare chia mala ava nchi fie gano ko va we ba do wo ma ji ba fure mia de mia gakpo sito parako fia no va tem yang yo la ba mia fukoko na mia to mia via o plus suba no va mia za to via mia zanya mia ba daka adashina to vo ha mia ko ka awonu ka acha shishimra ro nyo tonu na jiruru to e ba ova wona mia nya na ba we na mi ro nyo tonu ko ka acha shishimya no nudu ma gbo fi susu ata mia klore via wo covero tamie fokoko na mashiama bando kpare mianchira doya gbo roro nyeton
akpeto bi azamati adoyari amagbeto pe do na ya manye
nenye ho agbanwu akafia ovua la manamia magala ba miajila oto eno eta nwie to enye ba alaba wo da agba se jirunu na da she doya ma wo to kplara nchi wo to bare hu over ba fia kabako kanu ya onu ha manomia the view kata no do ma wo kata wo zu do no la togodu eta manya magbato pa do na olo
akpa majiba na adam de ka vomanami nkekene ni na kpoba yo zazanga lafia
adoya lafia na matonya susu kokpo ala mia va o me ha ya kpa ye gbo evele mia va fia ka kemie da fia rako ta mia tese jinu over Adam kakatona noji.
Okay, well, actually what he's saying is they definitely use almost 2 months over here just to make sure the flow of the water is being done. And what I'm trying to put across is this is not a work for a human being. This is supposed to be a excavator need to be here so that easy flow of these things should be done. And he is saying something. He's pleading to the whole public. If they can come over and then help them, it will be a very good thing. So thank you so much. And let's go on and then see some of the videos. Okay, Toby, Masaba, even shovel. shovel ika mi onto mi akọ wodo ha ma le mi show amaro va kpere mi I want you to explain that to me.
Yeah, nyata pa baba so vel ke mi akọ wodo ma le mi asio araba mi fokoko na togbi agbanom bana to mo sia mo ji oji so vel bla ton na mi madi na na ka toto aji na mi le ni di o va ka mi asi le do pa mi ko ji zo pa nto alaba toto mama la na mi nururu platon ha ta o ba da vi okpo nururu la doji aruru la roro nyeto nu plachi no ta do sasan
to ne ba na yong dudu na yochi kana wonya ba etogbi mava eva chomi shi mi chokple shovel pa ple ndudu ple chingmori la kami woge
oh arafunami etana mi la kronfia ama pagato la soverashi mi va tetia ni mi kwenye ba sova madama onu ota rokomie le tatam nya ne oje na maraka we san maraka na ga kwe na maraka we san na ga kwe kwa ba do madazo ka ke togbi pe sova ba mi va rofia
akpebe ne do jene Everlove TV egba kwa nkekaji togbi azamati
etonlia
togbi azamati etonlia akpakaka no bene do jeklumi assemblyman va assembly when you assemblyman area machokuba you are assemblyman in this area as an assembly member.
Yeah, assembly member.
Yes,
assembly member for Agbeledome and
relax. Assembly member for Agbeledome area council, whatever. As assembly member, is this supposed to be done by human being?
No. In today's technological world, we need machine to be able to do this very easy. But we have tried all our means to reach out to the people who could help us with machines, but they are not forthcoming. So we can't fold up our arms and waiting for the machine to come till, so we have to do something. That is why we organize ourselves today to come here to start this job. This job is not for human being now. In a world that we are living today, it's supposed not to be done by human beings, supposed to be done by machines. But when the machines are not coming and we are struggling, economic livelihood is affected. We thought other ways to come here and start something and cry for the authority to help us. That is why we are here.
Thank you. As assembly member, have you raised this in the house?
Oh, as for the house, the last sessional address is the passionate issue that I put before the general house. If somebody is listening to me, it is not. I'm not lying. I'm telling the fact that is the issue I talk about, but I thought it will have utmost attention, but it is not. The attention is not coming as I thought it should be. So we sat down and as a community and think let us start something. That's why we are here. So we are doing this and we are crying. We are calling authority to come to our aid. That is why we are here this morning.
Thank you. I'm Ajibama Segomo. Is the MC aware of this?
Yeah.
MC Anyaba Egba.
Yeah.
You people are coming to do this work over here.
Yeah, he's aware. MC is aware, MP is also aware. So none of the authority in our community or in our head at Anglican will say they were not aware of anything. The budget was run and we sent the budget to them. So they also promised to help, but yeah, this is the situation we find ourselves.
Thank you so much for speaking to Everlove TV once again.
Thank you too.